Hello guys, my name is Mohammad Amir Haider Rizvi and welcome to Tech Code. So today I am going to show how to run TikTok in India without any VPN. So let's get started. You have to click on Play Store, click on sign in. Now I will just take 1 second to sign up with my Google account. So now we have to go search Opera. Okay, click on install. Okay, it will take some time to download. 99% done. Okay, now click on open. Okay, welcome to Opera browser. Allow. Now click on done. So we have to click on this account button. Click on this VPN. Click on connecting. Okay, got it. Let's select America. Okay. Now we have to go to talk.com. Now you can see you can run TikTok in India. Okay, you can see this lady message. Okay, so let's rotate the device. Okay, you can see. Okay, you can see TikTok is running very smoothly. Okay, on this maybe it is hanging, but on your phone it will not hang. You can see now. Let's do. Okay, okay. On your phone or mobile device, it will run more smoothly. So this is for this video. If you like the video, please share it to your friends so they can see this video and run TikTok. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye.